This is the Whitestone Dome Glass for the Galaxy S10e. It's a tempered glass screen protector designed to give a precision fit using a unique clear glue bonding process and custom made installation kit to help ensure easy installation and the best overall results. It costs around £50 and I've been a long time fan of the Whitestone Dome series, using it on a number of handsets like the Galaxy S9, the iPhone X and the iPhone XR. First of all, a big thanks to Dome Glass for sending over the kit for the purpose of this video, and as always, I'll leave a link in the description so you can go and check it out in your own time. So starting with the packaging, and the Whitestone Dome Glass comes with everything you need to ensure the glass can be fitted as precisely as possible on the Galaxy S10e. This includes 3 sets of alcohol wipes, microfiber cleaning cloths, 2 tubes of bonding glue, a bridge for applying the glue, plus the custom made 2-stage tray mechanism and UV curing light which allows for the whole installation to run smoothly. Before I begin, unless you've done a few of these installations previously, then I do recommend reading and following the included installation guide carefully to ensure the installation goes as smoothly as possible. Hopefully this video will give you an indication of what to expect when installing a new dome glass, and if you've got any questions then please be sure to leave these in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them as soon as possible. So to begin, remove the factory applied film screen protector for your Galaxy S10e and use one of the supplied alcohol wipes to thoroughly clean the device all round and remove any grease or oil buildup. Then take a microfiber cloth to wipe away any residue left by the alcohol wipe until the screen is completely dry. If needed, use the supplied dust stickers to remove any small dust or lint from the display, and then place the phone into the bottom part of the bespoke tray. Ensure you follow the guidelines on the tray to make sure this is the correct way up for installation. Then take one of the included speaker masking stickers and place this over the earpiece at the top of the phone. The tray will help to guide this into place so the stickers are not stuck under the glass during the installation. Then place the top of the tray onto the base, ensuring the guide pins line up and click into place. Next, insert the guide pin into the guide hole at the top of the tray, and there are 2 foam absorption pads pre-installed into the tray, and this helps to prevent glue from running down the side of the phone once the glass has been installed. Once you're happy there are no further dust flecks on the screen, place the bridge into the included slots and take a tube of glue and unscrew the yellow coloured end first before placing into the bridge. Allow 30 seconds for all of the glue to expel from the tube, then remove and put to one side. Next, take the tempered glass and remove the film backing tag. Place the glass at the bottom of the tray and then rest this diagonally so it's at the top of the guide pin. Then to begin the process, gently press the bottom of the tray so the adhesive starts to move down the screen. And once it touches the tempered glass, remove the guide pin at the top of the tray and allow the adhesive to spread across the entire area of the underside of the tempered glass. This can take around a minute or so to complete, and before removing the top tray, be sure all of the glue has spread to every corner before moving on to the next step. Remove the top of the tray and then take the included UV curing lamp and plug this into a USB power source. Then position it over the lower half of the phone. Switch on and leave for 15 seconds. Repeat this for the top half of the phone. Once done, put the UV lamp to one side and remove the phone from the bottom of the tray. Then take another alcohol wipe and clean any excess adhesive which may have collected on the edges of the device. Then to complete the whole process, place the phone on a flat surface and cover once more with the UV curing lamp, leaving for 75 seconds at the bottom of the phone and then repeat for the top half of the phone. And once this is done, the dome glass installation is complete. As far as the overall look goes, once finished, the dome glass fits perfectly across the display, with great precision around the edges and the punch hole camera. One great thing about the dome glass is the oleophobic coating, which helps to keep away oily fingerprints and maintain a perfect finish across the display. Due to the adhesive bonding process, this helps to ensure there's no dot matrix pattern across the glass, leaving a perfect view of the display as if the glass wasn't even there. This has always been a strength of the dome glass product, and this here for the Galaxy S10e is no exception. Also, case compatibility is fine, with no issues using it with this wrinkly clear case here. Although do bear in mind that some cases have a larger lip around the display, so do check it's compatible beforehand prior to making a purchase. One thing to bear in mind is the dome glass will collect lint and dust around its sides and also inside the punch hole camera. This is a small niggle, but something that can be easily cleaned away using a soft cloth to clean away any excess lint or fluff buildup from pockets. Additionally, as with all tempered glass, this can be prone to chipping if it comes into contact with hard objects such as items in a bag or sharp edges if knocked. But do bear in mind, without the glass protection in place, this would likely damage or scratch your phone's display. So in this regard, the product works as intended to help keep your phone from damage. Overall though, this is yet another great tempered glass solution from Dome Glass and comes well recommended if you're looking for quality protection for your device. At around £50 it is expensive, but in my opinion the superior fit and finish is worth the investment in the long run. If you've got any questions about anything you've seen in this video, then please leave these in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you're new here, then please consider subscribing so you don't miss more great videos coming on the channel soon. But for now, this has been my look at the Whitestone Dome Glass for the Galaxy S10e. My name's Mr. West, and I will catch you guys later.